How do you say, what is that in Spanish? You say, ¿qué es eso? What is that? ¿Qué es eso? Let's say it together. ¿Qué es eso? Let's say it a little faster. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? What is that? ¿Qué es eso? You can also say, what's that? ¿Qué es eso? How do you say, what's that in Spanish? You say, ¿qué es eso? So to say, what's that? Or what is that? You say it the same way. ¿Qué es eso? Let's break it down. What, ¿qué is that? Eso. What, ¿qué is that? Eso. What is that? ¿Qué es eso? What's that? ¿Qué es eso? Also, to say what's that, people speak Spanish so quick that it sounds like this. ¿Qué es eso? It's like they cut off the E. Instead of saying ¿qué es eso?, they will say ¿qué es eso? Now, take a look at the questions. The one at the top is the correct way to write it. The bottom one is incorrect the way I wrote it, but that's the way it sounds. Hispanics speak Spanish so fast that instead of sounding ¿qué es eso?, it sounds ¿qué es eso? It sounds like the one at the bottom. What's that? ¿Qué es eso? Always write it the way it's written in the top. ¿Qué es eso? Never write it the way I wrote it on the bottom. I wrote the pronunciation. Okay, that's how you pronounce it. The one at the bottom. ¿Qué es eso? Okay, we got it? Okay.